Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on switching lanes. In this video, I'll be showing you how to switch lanes while driving. I'll be going over a few quick and easy things that you can do when you're switching lanes. Firstly, I'll be telling you what to do before you switch lanes. And then secondly, I'll be telling you what to do while you're switching lanes. Now let's get right to it. Firstly, what to do before you switch lanes. Well, there are a few checks and a few things that you need to do before you actually begin the process of actually switching lanes. Now, you need to firstly signal. So, you need to put on your signal, your right signal or your left signal, to indicate to other drivers that you are planning on switching lanes, okay? Secondly, you need to check your mirrors. Now, you need to check your rear view mirror, which is up here in the center of your windshield. And you also need to check the side mirror that is associated with the direction that you're switching lanes into. If you're switching into the left lane, you need to check your left side mirror. If you're switching into the right lane, you need to check your right side mirror. Thirdly, you need to check your blind spot with the same side. So, firstly, you put your signal on, and that tells other drivers that you want to switch lanes. Now, sometimes drivers that are in your path of switching lanes will get out of your way. They'll slow down so that they'll let you into the lane. And that's why I recommend signaling first, because sometimes other drivers will simply let you in and free up the roadway for you to switch lanes. Secondly, you're going to check your mirrors. Now, that's going to show you where the cars are and if there is a car in the part of the lane that you want to switch in. It'll tell you basically if it's almost safe to switch lanes. But before you actually switch lanes, in order to find out if it's really safe, you need to check your blind spot. Now, the blind spot is basically when you do like a shoulder check, okay? You want to do a shoulder check to check your blind spot to see if there's any cars that you could not see with your mirrors. Your blind spot check will allow you to see any other cars that you couldn't see with your mirrors. If you put your signal on, you check your mirrors, you do your blind spot check, and there aren't any cars in the area that you want to switch lanes in, then you can actually move on to step number 2, which is actually switching lanes. So I'll do that right now, okay? Now, and I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing. Put my signal on, check my mirrors, I'm switching to the left, check my blind spot, I'm clear to go. I smoothly switch lanes, just like that. If you'll notice what I did with the steering wheel there, I just basically gave it a little smooth nudge to one side. I held it there, and then I straightened out. It's a very smooth, it's not an aggressive procedure, it's a very smooth procedure. We're going to do it again to the right lane. Signal, mirrors, blind spot, smooth, just like this. Just like that. And I even switched lanes there. There was a little bit of a curvature in the road, so I had to pull the steering wheel a little bit more to the right. But it's actually very, very easy. And the key is to do it smoothly. Let's switch to the left again, so just watch my hands on the steering wheel. Signal, check my mirrors, blind spot, smoothly, just like that. Straighten out. What you want to do is just smoothly move that steering wheel into the direction of the lane. Hold it there until you actually switch into the lane, and then what you want to do is you want to straighten out in the lane. And it's literally that simple. That is your driving lesson on switching lanes. It's a very easy process, very simple process, and I just wanted to go over the process with you in this video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about my process for switching lanes in the comment section down below, and any tips that you have for switching lanes, write them down in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.